Hello, welcome to the video. So traditional phone lines using copper wires are being retired in 2025. Here's what it means for your law firm and what the future of phone systems will look like. As the UK transitions to full fibre, there just isn't a need for copper wires anymore. This has been pushed by BT, who aim to provide full fibre to 25 million premises by 2026. This type of connection is also known as FTTP, or fibre to the premises. Don't panic though. Although traditional landline phones are disappearing, the new solution, Voice over Internet Protocol, or VoIP, is a like-for-like replacement. You can install a VoIP solution that operates exactly the same as your phone already. You can dial out, your phone will ring when somebody calls you, and you can even get physical handsets with buttons to push if you want to. But a VoIP solution actually comes with some really great benefits and features for businesses, especially law firms, that you might not be aware of. So let's get to it. Here's our top 3 benefits of VoIP for your law firm. Number 1, the cost savings. A VoIP solution is often a lot cheaper than a traditional phone line because it uses your existing internet connection and not a completely separate system. VoIP is installed directly onto your PC, making it so much quicker and easier to set up and configure, and can also be scaled up or down depending on your needs. Because it's all on your PC, you don't need to buy clunky handsets that clutter your desks. Number 2, flexibility. Because VoIP is voice over internet, you can use it on almost any device with an internet connection. This means your solicitors can install it on their phone and take calls on the business phone number 24/7 whilst out and about. This also means your home working staff can take calls and communicate with the office, giving your firm greater communication both internally and externally. Number 3, integrations. So a traditional phone system is a very manual piece of kit. You have to punch in numbers, go back to your PC to update any records, update contact lists all manually. It's just a bit of a mess. A well-configured VoIP solution will integrate with your CRM system. This means that you can click to call on numbers so you don't have to leave the CRM. You can automatically update call logs, sync up your contact list, for example, and these minutes saved for your solicitors will turn into hours saved across the whole firm. A good VoIP solution will also integrate nicely with Outlook. This will sync up your availability status when you have meetings, sync up your contacts and your caller IDs, and you can even click to call straight out of emails. Again, the efficiency improvements by integrating your VoIP system with the systems you use every single day is really, really significant. So there we go. The future of telephony isn't so bleak after all. A good VoIP solution can help you save money, increase flexibility, and improve efficiency by integrating with your CRM. We sell a really great VoIP solution that our IT support team can help to install, configure, and manage moving forward. If you want to learn more about how VoIP fits into your law firm, follow the link in the description below to the full article. If you learned something new today, like and subscribe, leave a comment below, and look out for the next video in 2 weeks' time, where we're looking at the cost of legacy IT in hotels. Thanks for watching.